In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule recurring bills in QuickBooks. If you pay the same vendors on a regular basis, like utilities, rent, or software, setting them to recur will save you time and help you avoid missed due dates. First, go to QuickBooks and sign in to your company. Give the page a moment to load the dashboard. Before you begin, make sure the vendor you plan to use already exists and that you know the typical account or product service you post these costs to. It also helps to confirm your company's default terms and tax settings so the bill is created exactly the way you expect. Next, open a new bill. This brings up the standard bill form. Go ahead and enter the vendor, the bill date, and the details that usually repeat, like the category or item, description, amount, and any memo you want to appear every time. Entering these common details now is helpful because they'll carry over into the recurring setup. If your terms drive the due date, pick the right terms so each generated bill has the correct due date automatically. When the bill looks the way you want it to repeat, click Make Recurring. This opens the recurring template. Give your template a clear name so you can recognize it later. Choose the type based on how you want QuickBooks to handle it. Scheduled will create the bill automatically on the schedule you set. Reminder will prompt you to review before it's created. Unscheduled simply saves the template for when you want to create one manually. Pick the interval, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, and set the start date. If this bill should stop after a period, add an end date or number of occurrences. For monthly bills, choose a consistent day of the month. If the date falls on weekends or holidays, consider selecting a reminder type so you can adjust timing when needed. Now finish filling in the details and save. Double-check the vendor, categories or items, amounts, and tax codes. If an attachment should repeat, add it here so it's included every time. Use the memo to add context, like an account number or location, and keep it generic if it will recur. When everything looks right, save the template. QuickBooks will confirm it's saved and will use your settings to create or remind you about each new bill as scheduled. That's it. Your recurring bill is set. If your amounts vary from month to month, choose Reminder or Unscheduled so you can edit before posting. Consistent, accurate templates keep your books clean and your payables on time.